Hello everyone, this is a random Video Emporium unboxing, and what we're gonna unbox is my new iPad Pro 256 gigabyte Wi-Fi model, 10.5 inches, and let's get started. So this is the box that it came from. And I'm gonna start opening this. Okay, so I now have now I unwrapped the foil. So now let's unbox this thing. Doing this with one hand is pretty difficult. And there it is, my iPad Pro. Okay, so this is the home button. This is what the iPad Pro looks like when you first open it. And here's all the cables, the legal documents, and there's the where you put the cable to charge your iPad. And looks like that's it. That's all you get in a iPad box. Thanks for watching, and that's it.